welcome back to Product Genius. This is me, Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be explaining and demonstrating you how to transfer your Google Voice number. This is going to be a Google Voice transfer method, which is going to cover the A to Z steps of Google Voice. So first of all, if you guys are here for Textnow alternatives, Google Voice is a Textnow alternative which I have mentioned, but as you can see in my screen over here, this item is not actually available for folks outside US. So if you're looking for Textnow alternatives which you can use without any problems, I have actually made a separate video for Textnow alternatives, and I have made a separate playlist which covers all the Textnow alternatives, and I'll leave the playlist link in the description and the first comment. I'll pin the comment so you guys can just go check it out. And if you're here cause you are unable to solve your Textnow sign up problems, issues, etc., I also made a separate playlist featuring 9 to 10 videos which helps you rectify each and every single error, such as sign up error, account disabled error, region unsupported, etc., all those errors. I created a separate playlist which will help you solve all those errors. So if you are here for those stuffs, you can just pause this video and you can just go and check those videos out, and you can come back here if you are gonna watch this. So watch this video if you are only gonna transfer your Google Voice number. That is, you are here for transferring your Google Voice transfer methods, A to Z methods. So guys, let's just not waste any more time and let's just straightly dive into the video. So actually I'm from India, so Google Voice is not actually available for me, but you can just access Google Voice using this URL, voice.google.com. This is the URL which we use for transferring a Google Voice number. So guys, in this video, for transferring a Google Voice number, there are few conditions which must be met, such as that only a personal account. Okay, so actually Google Voice has two types of accounts, for personal use and for business. If we are using a business number, then we must you know contact our business or administrator for changing a number. For personal use, you guys could just watch this video. Remember, a Google Voice number can be transferred only once every 4 months once, and your call history, voicemails don't transfer to the new account, and only a Google Voice number transfers to the new account. Okay, so these are the three important steps which you have to remember. Okay, so you could just navigate to voice.google.com and you could sign in. Remember guys, for a Google Voice account you need a Gmail account. So I hope 90% of the people here have a Gmail account. If you're using YouTube, you're gonna have a Gmail account, so I guess that's not an issue over here. Okay, so actually there is a Google Voice help page which will help you through the transfer page. Okay, so you could just I'll leave the help page in the description below. You can just go and check it out. So these are the three three steps which I mentioned are written over here, as you guys can see. Okay, so Google Voice is intended only for your use in US. So if you're outside US, you won't be able to use it. Second, Google Voice number to Google account that has already a Google Voice number. You can't use two Google Voice numbers. A Google Voice number to Google account that has been accepted by the Google TOS. So these are the reasons if you can't transfer your Google Voice number. If you can't transfer, you'll receive an error like this. Okay, so there are a few of my accounts over here I was unable to transfer. So that was because of a few of the reasons, such as I already have a Google Voice number in that account, etc. So first of all, we must open Google Voice. Like I told you, we must just open voice.google.com, and at the right corner, to visit this page, in the right corner we must click. Okay, I'll show you visually over here. On the right, we must click on the settings page, and over here we must click the account section. And in the transfer your number to another voice account section, we must click on the transfer a number button. Okay, so if we click on the transfer a number button, we will be navigated to this page. Okay, I have hidden my personal details so you guys won't be able to see it. Okay, so there may be few cases like this if you can't transfer your number, but just create another Gmail account and we'll be able to transfer it. Okay, so we just need to follow a few instructions, and if we follow these instructions we'll be able to click on this. If we just click on this number and click on the transfer button over here, we'd be able to transfer the account. Okay, so this is done from our side. Now for accepting transfers from another number, what we would have to do is that we must go to our Google Voice account in another fresh Gmail, and we have to click on the accept. We have to accept the TOS, terms of conditions and terms of services, and then we would have to accept it, and we have to skip the step of selecting a Google Voice number, and then we could just accept the Google Voice number. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button at the end of this video, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to you. Okay, so like I told before, you know, subscribe for more future videos, and thanks for watching this video until the end. Bye.